In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live progress bar in Microsoft Excel. We're keeping this simple and effective. Imagine you have a number that represents progress, maybe tasks completed or points earned, and you want to see that progress fill up visually as a bar right inside a cell. That's exactly what we'll build using a single formula that updates the moment your value changes. Start by clicking the cell where you want your progress bar to appear. This will be the display cell, the one that shows the growing bar. It can be on the same row as your value or anywhere else you'd like to see the result. Now, type a formula that uses Excel's REPT function to repeat a character as many times as your value. Carefully enter it like this: equals, then REPT, open parenthesis, double quote, the straight vertical line character, double quote, comma, and then click the cell that holds your value, so Excel references it automatically, and finally close the parenthesis. When you're done, it should look like this spoken out loud: equals REPT, open parenthesis, double quote, vertical bar, double quote, comma, value cell, close parenthesis. Press Enter to confirm. Instantly, Excel will draw a bar made of vertical lines, and the length of that bar will match the number in your value cell. Change the value, and the bar updates live. No extra work needed. That's the beauty of referencing the value cell instead of typing a number directly inside the formula. A few tips to make it look great. The REPT function repeats text exactly as written, so the character you choose matters. The vertical bar is easy to see and works well, but you can swap it for a heavier character like a block or a dash if you prefer a different style. If your numbers are large, the bar will get long quickly, so consider keeping your values to a sensible range for your layout. If you're using decimals, REPT will effectively treat them as whole numbers. It won't draw half a character, so expect it to round down visually. Negative numbers won't produce a useful bar, so stick with 0 or higher. For readability, you may want to make the column a bit wider or increase the font size so each unit in the bar is clear. Monospaced fonts can make the bar appear more even, but any standard font works. That's all there is to it. Click the display cell, type the REPT formula with your chosen character and the value cell reference, and press Enter. You now have a clean, live progress bar that updates automatically as your data changes.